Hey everyone! Today, I'm making a simple and tasty Burmese-style Kangkong Stir-Fry with mushrooms, using fresh kangkong I grew myself in my garden. It's healthy, quick, and full of flavor. Rinse 1 pound kangkong thoroughly under running water to remove any dirt or grit. Pinch and separate the leaves and stems. Cut stems into 2-inch lengths and set aside the leaves. Friends, where are you watching my video from? Let me know in the comments. I'd really love to know. Crush the garlic and mince. Trim off any earthy parts of the mushrooms, then rinse and drain. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan over medium heat. Add half of the minced garlic and stir until fragrant. Add the mushrooms, season with salt and 1 teaspoon hondashi powder and stir fry until wilted and lightly golden. Add fresh chilies, optional. Transfer mushrooms to a bowl and set aside. In the same pan, add a little more oil. Add the remaining garlic and fry until fragrant. Add the kangkong stems first and stir fry for about 30 seconds. Add the kangkong leaves. Cooked mushrooms. Two tablespoons oyster sauce, a half teaspoon hondashi, and salt to taste. Stir fry quickly until the leaves are bright green and just wilted. Turn off the heat and serve immediately. Enjoy this dish hot with steamed rice for a healthy and satisfying Myanmar home-style meal. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this easy Burmese recipe with my homegrown kangkong, please like, comment, and subscribe for more healthy home-cooked meals. See you next time. Thanks for watching to the end.